In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best VPN server using Nordvpn. If you're looking to boost your online security and privacy, or perhaps you want to stream content not available in your region, selecting the right VPN server can be essential. Whether you're a newcomer to VPNs or someone who's looking to optimize their usage, I'll guide you through a straightforward, quick, and effective method to get you connected to the best Nordvpn server. First, let's open the Nordvpn app. You'll find it either on your desktop or mobile device, depending on where you've downloaded it. Make sure that you're logged into your account to proceed with these steps. As you open the app, you'll be greeted with a world map interface, which is part of Nordvpn's design to visually display server locations across the globe. Such a feature not only makes server selection intuitive, but also gives you a clear visual representation of where your online location will be. Once you've got the app open, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the VPN tab. This can usually be found on the sidebar or a main menu within the app. Clicking here will give you various options related to VPN connections. You're not just choosing servers based on geographic location alone. You can optimize your connection for various types of activities, which leads us to our next step. Now, let's dive into the section labeled Specialty Servers. These are tailored for specific needs. Whether you're downloading, streaming, or need extra security, you can find a server made for that purpose. This selection really ensures that you're getting more than just a random server. You're opting for one that's aligned with what you're using it for. After you've browsed the specialty servers, it's time to select the P2P, or peer-to-peer, server. Such servers are particularly optimized for file sharing and provide a stable connection and faster speeds, especially useful if you're planning to engage in activities like torrenting. Hence, this selection enhances performance and privacy simultaneously. Finally, to ensure the best experience with speed and reliability, you'll want to click on the fastest server option. Doing so connects you automatically to the server with the best performance at that given moment. It's a great choice for those who prioritize speed, whether you're streaming or just browsing the internet securely. That's all it takes to choose the best VPN server using Nordvpn. Each step ensures you're choosing a server that's not just up and running, but tailored to your particular needs. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with these features, and you'll find your VPN experience more reliable and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!